Pureen Liquid Cleanser is specially formulated with plant-based surfactants. It effectively washes away milk fats and stains from your baby's feeding accessories. Just add half a teaspoon of Pureen's liquid cleanser into 1 liter of water and immerse the accessories. Then wash and rinse thoroughly. It can be rinsed off easily without leaving residue on baby accessories. Pureen Liquid Cleanser is proven to be effective in removing over 99% of pesticides commonly found on fruits and vegetables. A little goes a long way. Just mix a quarter teaspoon to 5 liters of water and immerse for about 5 minutes. Clean and rinse. An easy and safe wash. Pureen Liquid Cleanser, a safe, mild and gentle formulation for cleaning baby accessories, fruits and vegetables.